Hello everyone, I am Mayuri Pawar, a volunteer at Shivi Forensic. In this video, I'll explain the psychological theories of criminal behavior. Psychological perspective on crime. Psychological theories explain that crime is not random. Criminal behavior develops from a person's thinking, emotions, personality, and past experiences, along with environmental influence. Meaning of criminal behavior. Criminal behavior means action that breaks societal rules and laws. It is influenced by psychological, biological, and social factors as explained by Blackburn. Foundation theories of criminal behavior states that first theory is psychodynamic theory. Crime arises from unresolved childhood conflicts, poor emotional attachment, and imbalance among id-ego and superego. A weak superego can lead to poor internal moral control and criminal act as an expression of unconscious aggression. Behavioral and social learning theory states that criminal behavior is acquired through observation, imitation, and reinforcement, particularly from associating with criminal peers. Albert Bandura's Bobodol studies highlight the impact of aggressive role models. Understanding the criminal cognition. Cognitive theory explains that offenders think in distorted way. They may blame victims, justify their actions, or minimize the harm they cause. Second theory is personality theory. Some personality traits are linked to crime such as impulsiveness and risk taking. These individuals often show low self control and less fear of punishment. Theories of criminal behavior. There are key perspective psychological factors. Important factors include childhood trauma, low empathy, aggression, poor emotional control, mental disorder, biophysical environmental interaction. There is a case study on Edmund Kemper, the co-ed killer. Edmund Kemper, an American serial killer of 1970, exemplifies the severe consequence of complex psychological factor. His childhood was marked by profound rejection and emotional abuse. Despite his high intelligence, Kemper displayed a chilling lack of empathy and deep-seated resentment, traits consistent with both psychodynamic theories of unresolved parental conflict and personality theories highlighting psychopathic tendencies. The psychological cycle of crime: early childhood environment, personality formation, reinforcement, social learning, cognitive process, criminal behavior, self control, and impulse regulation. Conclusion. To conclude, criminal behavior is the result of multiple psychological factors working together. Understanding these theories help in crime prevention and rehabilitation. References. These explanations are based on the standard forensic psychology textbook and research studies. Thank you.